Coming up on today's Disney Roundup, prices are revealed for Disney's Magical Express replacement service, a first look at Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary merchandise, and how much it will cost to stay at the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser Hotel. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news each and every single week. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting off with Outside the Parks news this week, last week Disney revealed some more details and the starting prices that will be for the Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser Hotel coming next year to Walt Disney World. Now showing on the Walt Disney World website, more details for dining, rooms, and prices have been revealed for Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser. Guests will have the option of staying in a standard cabin, Galaxy Class Suite, or Grand Captain Suite. The standard cabin and Galaxy Class Suite can sleep up to 4 to 5 guests, while the Grand Captain Suite sleeps up to 8. Starting prices for voyages from August to September of 2022 for 2 guests per cabin are $1,209 per night per guest, or $4,809 for the voyage. 3 guests per cabin, $889 per night per guest, or $5,299 for the voyage. And for 4 guests per cabin, $749 per night per guest, or $5,999 for the voyage. Now note, these are just the starting prices given, so I would imagine at some times it could be even more expensive, but either way, this is now being in the same category price-wise as staying at a deluxe or deluxe villas resort hotel. With that being said, even if you're a big Star Wars fan, would you pay these prices for this experience? Given all that's been announced and shown for it now, let me know what you think about this in the comments down below. As we know, come the end of 2021 will be the end of Disney's Magical Express bus service, the transportation service that transports guests to and from the airports. However, Mears Connects will be offering a similar service and have now revealed their prices. For those unaware, Mears Connect is actually operated by the same third-party company that runs the Magical Express. When making your reservation online, you'll be able to select standard or express pending how long you want to wait or are willing to pay. Prices listed for standard are currently $16 one way for adults and $13.50 for kids. Round trip will be $32 per adult and $27 per child. The premium service is $200 for up to 4 people and an extra $55 for any additional in your party. When arriving to MCO Airport, the check-in will be on the B side on level 1. For returning for your flight home, for standard service, you'll be picked up from your selected location 3 hours prior to your flight and 2 hours prior for Express. Since the announcement of the Magical Express ending, Disney has currently not announced a replacement transportation service of their own that will take guests to and from the airports, or to my surprise, the return of minivans. Let me know what you think of this in the comments down below though. Will you be using this on your visit starting in 2022, or would you rather just rent your own car or just use Uber or Lyft? Now on to parks news. Just over this past week, Disney has revealed a first look at some of the merchandise that will be available for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary. In a post from Disney Parks blog, they share some of the items that will soon be coming to Walt Disney World and Shop Disney. Their pre-celebration must-haves include shirts, a Spirit jersey, coffee tumbler, and an annual pass holder long sleeve shirt, which will be available starting August 12th. Other collections that will pop up through the 18-month celebration include the Celebration Collection, the Disney Castle Collection, the Vault Collection, Iridescent Collection, and the Lux Logo Collection. Disney also shared some concept art of the 50th merch display that will soon be coming to the World of Disney store at Disney Springs. I think out of all of this, my favorite piece of merch so far is those 50th anniversary Crocs. I will definitely need to get a pair of those. Let me know what your favorite is though in the comments down below. More Disney Fab 50 character sculptures have been revealed that will be coming to the Walt Disney World parks for the 50th anniversary celebration. The newest statues include Donald Duck, who will be at Magic Kingdom, the Mad Hatter, who will also be at Magic Kingdom, R2-D2, who will be at Hollywood Studios, the first Parks character announced, Orange Bird, who will be at Magic Kingdom, and Sebastian and Flounder from The Little Mermaid, who will be in Hollywood Studios. We're now up to 16 of the Fab 50 statues coming for the celebration. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned though, and I'll let you know all the Fab 50 statues that will be coming as they're announced. Over this past week, guests were surprised with an early reopening of Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor over at Tomorrowland at the Magic Kingdom. Originally scheduled to reopen August 8th, Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor reopened this past week on August 5th. Laugh Floor continues to use the same jokes and crowd interaction and runs shows most days from 12 to 8 p.m. On nights for the Disney After Hours Boo Bash, times are adjusted though, as it appears they run them from 3:30 to 8 p.m. Guests looking to visit the Magic Kingdom later this month, be aware that the Liberty Square Riverboat will be closing for refurbishment. The Liberty Square Riverboat will be closing for another quick refurbishment on August 23rd through the 31st, with a current expected reopening date of September 1st. The Liberty Square Riverboat just had a refurbishment earlier this year and was closed for most of 2020, so it remains uncertain the reasoning for another refurbishment so soon. Appearing to be nearing the end of its refurbishment, some of the scrim covering the Main Street Railroad station has started to be removed. A few weeks ago, the scrim covering the top portion of the station was removed. Now almost the entire top half has been uncovered. The station looks to have received a cleansing with a fresh touch-up of paint all around. Although the Walt Disney World Railroad will not be back up and running in time for the 50th anniversary, the Main Street station looks to be completed in the upcoming weeks. Alright everyone, that's all I have for you for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all I have for you for this week, and until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.